So for this assignment, we're going to use this simulator here to figure out why the equator is generally warmer than as you move to the North and the South Pole. It generally gets cooler. So to figure out that temperature pattern, which influences the precipitation pattern. So if we look here, we click here, we're going to get this interactive right here that's going to show you, this is the energy here that the sun gives off right here. And what we're looking at is the location on Earth, the North Pole, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Capricorn, South Pole, and then the energy from the sun, so the amount of energy the sun gives off, and then the energy that's received from the sun. So if we look at this over here, on this side here, this is the energy from the sun, so that would go into this column here, and then the energy received on Earth. So then you'll have to read this over here. So you can kind of see that this is changing. So you want to figure out the pattern. So you're going to look at the North Pole and the Tropic of Cancer, look at it at the equator, the Tropic of Capricorn, and the South Pole. What I do want you to keep in mind is this unit here, watts per meter squared. So what is a watt per meter squared? So if you make a square meter, so take a meter stick and you make a big square. So a meter is like the floor to a doorknob. And let's say to the sun is giving off 1,367 in this space. So what that would mean, just imagine like 100-watt light bulbs. That would be like 13.6 100-watt light bulbs in that 1 square meter. So that's what the unit means. That's what they're measuring it there. So record the energy from the sun and then the energy received the Earth. So that's this side over here. Then you answer the questions. Again, we're looking for patterns and then reasons we see those patterns. And then we can start working on part 2, where you're going to take the information from this column here, copy it, and paste it into this column here. And then kind of guesstimate based on this data here, the average temperatures. So use that information and then answer the questions from there. All right, so I hope that helps. Bye.